Okay, apart from the issues, there are also challenges. Okay, they are talking, look, in this kind of scenario, in the IBS scenario, you have different systems. People come up with different systems. You know, even within the precast concrete industry, okay, you have different players like Eastern Pretext, Hume, and so on and so forth. Now they will have their own, what we call that methodology, their own recipes and whatnot. Okay, so is this healthy? If let's say the whole industry will go into that, for instance. So we talk about open and closed systems. The CIB is trying to say it works if it's an open system. Okay, what do you mean by that? For those who are not in the construction industry, okay, if you look at your building materials today, which is the conventional way, you have your bricks, your cements, your sands, and whatnot. Now, anybody can actually produce that, and contractors can still purchase that from anyone. Okay, so the price is competitive. All right. Now, in a closed system, today with IBS components, you can't do that. All right. So, but then the government is saying, can that IBS system be like the current conventional open system? That means to say precast concrete products, wall panels, floor and whatnot, be open in that sense. That means to say I can buy competitively from various suppliers and whatnot. So we also have to look at that. Those are the challenges that we will face. Right? Transformation from the site-based to manufacturing-based. Okay, it's been already established for so long. Okay, we've been doing it always. The activities are always at the site. Okay, so we are saying, look, now we are going to manufacture all these components. When we have a factory setting, what we call a quality control, very organized way of doing it. How possible is that? How far are we from that? Okay, so those are the challenges that will be encountering. Designing for manufacturing, designing for assembly. Now it's very easy if you have activities at site, okay, for you to actually adjust accordingly, right? Okay, I don't have much time, right? I'll just run through it. Okay, talking about site activities. When you talk about construction activities, is go with the flow. All right, I have this design. Okay, I'll see how I can cast. If it doesn't fit right, I can change it. You know, things like that. But in IBS, okay, when you say you want to manufacture a certain wall component, a slab, a roof, and whatnot, it has, when it comes to the site, it has to be exactly placed and exactly joined. So there's a lot of these issues about when you manufacture something, it should be able to be assembled and installed accordingly. And for designers, for architects and whatnot, when they do their design, they have to make sure that whatever they design can be manufactured. Okay? So meaning to say, it's not as easy as before. Now I'm an architect, you know, I'll do it this way, right? So the people in the construction industry, they have to see, okay, and you know, we'll do it how we see it, all right? But that is possible in the old way. But again, if you want to move to IBS, we will face that difficulty of actually making sure that whatever is being designed is able to be manufactured and then assembled at the end of the day, right? Industrialization of products and processes. Okay, I mentioned about when you talk about industrialization, or the word industrialized building system itself, it should be taken in a bigger context and not so much on the component level. We're not talking about just because I use precast concrete in my building is IBS. Okay, fine. If you just want to satisfy the IBS score, which at the moment, you know, is very minimal, what we call scoring for the IBS building. We have to look at it holistically. Okay, that means to say the whole industry has to look at it in the sense that how the manufacturing industry does it. Okay, so a lot of practices, best practices, have actually been proven in other industries like the manufacturing industry. So how can that be adopted in